How to fix macro or 0.5x zoom not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix macro or 0.5x zoom not working on your iPhone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings on your iPhone at first. After that, scroll down and go with camera. And under camera, here you will have macro control. So if you find the macro control, you just need to simply go and turn on your macro control. Now finally open the camera app and switch to 0.5 and it will fix your problem. Or the second solution is to turn off the lens correction. So open up your settings and go with the camera and you will have lens correction right here. So you need to just simply go and turn off your lens correction. After that, test your camera again to see if everything is working as it should. Or the third solution is to force close the camera app. First, swipe from the bottom of your screen. After that, you need to pause in the middle, then look at the camera app and swipe up to close it. Next, reopen the camera app and check if it's functionally available or if it's functioning properly. After that, you can restart your iPhone and see if the issue is fixed. Or the last solution is to update your iPhone. So you can open up your settings, and under settings, you need to just simply go with general. Under general, go with software update. And if you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.